Arsenal isn't just thinking about the next match, they're planning something much bigger. The club is gearing up for a massive stadium expansion that could push the Emirates to a whopping 80,000 seats. But this isn't just about numbers. It's about pride, power, and the future of Arsenal Football Club. Why now? What's at stake? And can they pull it off without losing the soul of their home? Stick around. We're breaking it all down. Back in 2006, Arsenal made a bold move. They left their beloved Highbury and stepped into the modern Emirates Stadium. It wasn't just a new home, it was meant to be the launch pad for a new era. With high-tech facilities and sleek design, the Emirates was ahead of its time. For a while, it gave Arsenal the edge they needed, but times have changed. Other clubs didn't just catch up, they took off. Tottenham built a futuristic stadium that hosts everything from football to concerts. West Ham moved into the London Stadium. Liverpool has been growing too. And now Arsenal finds themselves playing catch-up in the infrastructure game. That's why they're planning something huge. Arsenal wants to expand the Emirates Stadium from just over 60,000 seats to almost 80,000. If they make it happen, only Old Trafford would be bigger in the Premier League. It's not just about outgrowing their rivals, though. More seats mean more fans. More fans mean more energy on match day. And yes, more revenue too. Let's be honest, money talks in modern football. More cash means a better shot at top-tier players. It means staying competitive not just in England, but across Europe. For Arsenal, this isn't just a renovation, it's a lifeline. But Arsenal's plan goes even further. Club executives have been studying Real Madrid's jaw-dropping makeover of the Santiago Bernabeu. They're not just copying, they're aiming to do it their own way. Madrid turned their stadium into a year-round entertainment hub. Retractable roof, 360-degree screens, world-class hospitality, and events all year, even when there's no football. Arsenal wants that too. The goal is to turn the Emirates into more than just a football ground. Imagine concerts, conferences, and events bringing life to the stadium all year long. That's extra revenue and more global attention. Here's the catch. This won't be easy. The Emirates was built with just 8 key structural points. That design, while innovative, makes expansion tricky. Adding 20,000 more seats isn't a simple task. Architects warn it could involve reinforcing the entire roof, or even redesigning it. That's not only complex, but also very expensive. And any mistake could hurt the feel and atmosphere that makes the Emirates special. Every step must be carefully planned and perfectly executed. There's also the issue of time. Big changes could mean shutting down parts of the stadium for long periods. Can they pull it off without turning the place into a never-ending construction site? That's the real question. This expansion isn't some side project. It could cost hundreds of millions of pounds, one of the most expensive stadium upgrades in the Premier League. Arsenal's board has some tough choices ahead. Every pound spent here is a pound not spent elsewhere, like transfers, youth development, and salaries. And they still need to follow financial fair play rules, but if they get it right, the benefits could be massive. More seats mean more fans. More fans mean more ticket sales. And that opens doors to new sponsorship deals, naming rights, and hospitality. Packages. Add in concerts, events, and conferences, and Arsenal could build a financial engine that runs year-round. In the long run, this expansion could be the move that lets them truly compete with financial giants like Manchester City, PSG, and Real Madrid. But the impact won't stop at the stadium gates. The local area, Holloway Islington, has to keep up too. Holloway Road Underground Station is already jam-packed on match days. With 20,000 more fans flooding in, transport upgrades are a must. Parking will get tighter, traffic will be a nightmare unless it's planned out well. Safety measures will need a full overhaul. And let's not forget the local businesses and residents. Many of them have supported Arsenal for decades. Arsenal can't afford to ignore them. The key will be cooperation, working with the local community, not against it. If they do this right, the expansion won't just benefit the club. It could boost the whole area and become a source of pride for all of North London. Arsenal knows this can't be rushed. That's why they made a smart move. They chose not to be a host venue for Euro 2028. That decision frees them from any external deadlines. Now they can build on their own terms. Right now, their internal target is to finish the expansion between 2028 and 2029. It's a long timeline, but it allows for the kind of careful planning a project like this demands. There will be roadblocks, delays, and frustrating moments. But the payoff? It could be historic. This isn't a short-term boost. This is about shaping the club's future for generations. Arsenal fans have been dreaming of a bigger, louder Emirates for years. More seats mean more memories, more chances, for new fans to connect, and more energy in every game. The excitement is real, but so are the concerns. People are asking, will ticket prices skyrocket? Will loyal fans be priced out and replaced with corporate guests? Will the matchday magic fade in a sea of empty premium seats? The club's leadership knows these worries are valid. Growing bigger without losing the passion, loyalty, and connection that define Arsenal, that's the real challenge. The Emirates isn't just a stadium. It's where history is made. It's where supporters cry, cheer, and sing their hearts out. If the club forgets that, no amount of extra seats will fix it. But if they get this right, the Emirates could become more than a home field. It could be the center of a new chapter in Arsenal's story. One filled with ambition, achievement, and unity. That's what makes this moment so important. So, what do you think? Is Arsenal making the right call with this expansion? Will the Emirates rise to the top as one of Europe's finest stadiums? Or could it all fall apart under the weight of its own ambition? One thing's for sure, Arsenal isn't standing still. They're aiming higher than ever, and the world is watching. If you're excited to see how it all plays out, hit that like button, share this video with other fans, and don't forget to subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update on Arsenal's bold next step. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to Giga Structures, where architecture transforms into art and mega projects reshape our world. Discover billion-dollar stadiums, next-gen arenas, and the genius behind record-breaking structures every single week. Your subscription isn't just a click. It fuels the journey, supports the research, and keeps this content alive. Subscribe now and become a part of the Giga Structures community, where fans of mega engineering stay inspired.